Marami pa ng leche.
Parang yung ginawa.
Ganda pero...
dried malunggay, please also be ready to share them with other groups if ever man lang no, and so very piso per
Okay na ba yan? Dagdagan. Ito dapat ako makipag-apiran, baka mas smudge.
but you love your classmates, right?
Gagaganda.